Welcome to day 5 of our ASP.NET ASMX API 10-day tutorial series. Today, we move into action building insert APIs for retailers, routes, and expenses. Before Rust, before JSON, there was ASMX. And even today, legacy systems still run critical business operations. Understanding ASMX helps you build reliable enterprise grade APIs. Let us begin. Insert APIs follow a simple and powerful pattern. First, we accept the input model. Then we validate the fields to ensure the data is clean. Next, we call the stored procedure to insert the record. Finally, we return a clear success or failure messages. This pattern keeps your APIs predictable, secure, and easy to maintain. The retailer insert API allows us to add new shops into the system. We collect details like retailer name, address, mobile number, route ID, and distributed ID. These fields help us organize retailers geographically and operationally. The route insert API helps us create new routes for distributors. Each route has a name, a distributor, and an optional remark. This structure keeps fields operations organized and efficient. The expense insert API is used to record daily expenses. We capture the title, category, amount, and description. This is essential for tracking field level spending and generating reports. This stored procedure inserts a new retailer into the database. It ensures that all required fields are captured and stored correctly. Using stored procedures keeps your logic centralized and secure. Before inserting data, always validate the input. Check for empty fields, validate mobile numbers, and ensure there are no duplicates. Good validation prevents errors and improves data quality. After the insert operation, return a clear message. If the operation succeeds, send a success message. If it fails, return a meaningful error. This helps the mobile app guide the user smoothly. That completes day 5. Your practical task is to build 3 insert APIs: retailer insert, route insert, and expense insert. Focus on clean parameters, proper validation, and reliable database inserts. These APIs reflect real world enterprise workflows. Complete this task before moving on to day 6.